How to become wealthy and successful in life. Secrets of Millionaire Mindset. Welcome to Wealth Assets Channel, a place where wealthy enthusiasts come to improve their mindset. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Discover how wealthy people live their life and how they spend their most valuable assets, which consists in financial wealth, social wealth, time wealth, and physical wealth. Most of our community is interested on building wealth, so is the first video as well. Today, we're going to talk about the real scope of being wealthy. The majority of people think of the word wealth in terms of finances only, but this is a narrow view of what it means to be wealthy. Wealth consists of every area within one's life: health, relationships, finances, time, so on and so forth. Research has proven that most of the rich families that have maintained their wealthy status for almost 3 generations have a different definition of wealth. Money is one of the things that help them to sustain wealth. So, success and wealth should be measured in more than solely financial terms. A wealthy person is not the one with the highest bank balance, but the one who knows how to sustain and balance all 4 types of wealth. Let's go now through each of these 4 types of wealth to give a deeper perspective on them and how they relate to your own personal life. Number 1, financial wealth. Financial wealth is financial freedom, which is the ability to enjoy what you like, when you like, with whom you like in terms of spending money. This is complete freedom from financial turmoil and worries, which is one of the chief causes of suffering within the majority of people's lives. Financial wealth consists of understanding and mastering the following fundamentals: budgeting, consciously allocating money, preparing detailed projections of future amounts, investing more on assets instead of liabilities, spend on necessities instead luxuries, financial literacy, the ability to understand and properly apply financial management skills. You can do it also by reading, listening to podcasts, attending events, etc. Surrounding yourself with financial masters. Long-term versus short-term, focusing more on long-term financial plans. If these fundamentals are constantly being worked on and improved upon, then financial wealth will not be a problem for you. These fundamentals have withstood the test of time and absolutely work as long as you do. Vision yourself in the future where you never have to worry about money ever again. Imagine how that would make you feel, how that would change your interactions with the world and people around you, how that would change your family situation, so on and so forth. It's an amazing feeling, right? Well, it's absolutely possible to achieve this kind of life one day, as long as you make a commitment to the process of mastering financial wealth, as well as the 3 other types of wealth. Here are instead the biggest traps that keep people away from achieving financial wealth: lack of financial literacy, more expenses than income, not investing, bad financial habits, focusing on short-term plans. Number 2, social wealth. Social wealth or status is one of the most underrated types of wealth that exist because we naturally don't think of status as a form of wealth. We understand that status is value, but we never make the connection that it's actually a type of wealth. Social wealth consists of understanding and mastering the following fundamentals: reputation, persuasion, high-quality character, body language, understanding of human nature and psychology. Social wealth largely comes down to how you interact with the social world. Yes, it also deals with luxury cars, houses, appearance, so on and so forth, although it mainly deals with what kind of character you create and how others interact with this character and perceive it. Here are instead some of the biggest traps that keep people away from achieving social wealth: lack of persuasive skill, negative social reputation, low quality character, ignorance of human nature, ignorance of psychology, obsession with material wealth. Number 3, time wealth. Time wealth or freedom is defined as having your own time to spend how you want, where you want, with whom you want. It's something that is rare in the modern day for the majority of people because they spend all of their time dedicating their resources, both physically and mentally, to earning money. Here are some golden aspects that you need to understand to find success. Realize that time is finite. Understanding how majority of people to trade time for money. investing your time outside the traditional 9-to-5 job. Number 4, physical wealth. Physical wealth or health acts as the glue that connects all other 3 types of wealth together. Lack of this type of wealth makes everything else meaningless. This type of wealth requires your attention and investment, as it is key to achieving all types of wealth. The majority of people fail to understand that health is true wealth. They fail to invest in their bodies and minds, and aren't even aware that this is even a worthy pursuit in terms of achieving all types of wealth. To achieve physical wealth, you get proper sleep, proper nutrition, proper movement and body training, health literacy, healthy environment. We all have the ability to achieve all 4 types of wealth within our lives, and an interesting thing occurs when we do get to this point. We begin to feel the wealth of fulfillment. This wealth of fulfillment is what occurs when all 4 of these wealth types intersect and are constantly being improved upon. This is the place where we all want to be. Keep in mind, each of these types of wealth requires years of dedication, practice, humility, learning, understanding, networking, so on and so forth. Now, if you've been this far, meditate and ask yourself questions to get a deeper understanding of what position you are in. Share your opinion about the importance of time and health in the comments of this video. Thank you for spending some time with us. If you like this topic, make sure to subscribe so you'll never miss any video.